Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build your own AI content calendar planner. This AI agent will help you plan weeks of content in minutes with the right mix of ideas, formats and call to actions, all tailored to your audience and platforms. This is the prompt I will use. What I need is an AI agent that will help me create complete content calendars for different social media platforms. The agent should plan the post based on my niche, audience and marketing goals and organize them by date, theme and format. Of course, the agent should suggest engaging content ideas tailored to each platforms, for example LinkedIn or Instagram or Facebook, recommend call to actions, and the agent should also keep the tone consistent with my brand voice, balance educational and promotional content and adapt the frequency of posting. Let's try it. So our agent is now ready. Let's try it. First of all, let's take a look at the tools it integrated. We have the web scraper that will analyze, for example, competitor website, industry blogs or other relevant news sources for content strategy research. Then we have another tool for LinkedIn and this tool is for Reddit, but you will see that in my prompt I will want a content calendar for LinkedIn, so I don't need to connect these tools to my Reddit account, but if you want a content calendar for Reddit, you should do that. Also, let's take a look at the settings. We have the name of the assistant, the description, the AI model which it was automatically selected. If you would like, you can select another model from the ones available on the platform. The AI assistant instructions, which are a bit more complex than the prompt that I have used. The visibility, you can also change this one private or public. And also some advanced settings. We have creativity and also this new feature that will enable the deep agent mode. Basically, the agent will be able to plan more complex tasks and break them into subtasks. Now, let's go back to the chat section. Here is the prompt that I will use. What I need is a 2-week LinkedIn content calendar for HubSpot. The agent should include posts about CRM best practices, marketing automation insights, and company culture stories. And the agent should also keep the tone professional but friendly and recommend engaging call to actions. Let's try it. Now the content calendar has been generated. Let's take a look at it. We have the 2-week strategic content plan, the period, the platform as we have mentioned, the brand voice, primary goals and posting frequency as suggested. Then we have a short summary, and for the first week we have the objective, basically to position HubSpot as the go-to resource for modern CRM strategies. Then we have, for example, Monday, and the post type is a carousel. Then we have content pillars, topic, the content description and the caption that you can use along with hashtags, call to actions and the best posting time, success metrics and repurpose opportunity. For example, if you want later, you can turn this carousel into a blog post or a Twitter thread. Then we have this for all days of the week, also a poll option which you can vote, okay, best posting times. Then we move to week 2, another objective, another type of post, also a carousel, good, okay, video or image series, okay, another carousel, then another text post, good, and then some strategic recommendations, the content balance achieved and the format diversity and some engagement optimization tactics, and content repurposing strategy, which is very important, and the cross-platform adaptation, then some KPIs framework and success metrics, okay, and crisis management and backup content. Basically, you should always have 3 or 5 evergreen posts ready, some response templates, for example, if you receive a negative comment, and some product questions, okay, then the implementation guidance week by week, okay, team collaboration and continuous improvement plan, some monthly reviews and strategy refresh, success indicators and additional resources and next steps, okay, and the quick start checklist, basically what you should do before you begin and in the first week and then ongoing. And some final thoughts, that this calendar is designed to position HubSpot as both a thoughtful leader and an approachable human-centered brand as it is, and key successful factors, okay, and some questions. Okay, basically here you should mention if you want something else, maybe you want to go more in depth with your content calendar, and that means that in your following prompt you should mention even more details so the content calendar is exactly as you'd like it to be. So these are all the steps you have to follow, and now you'll have a clear strategic content plan that is easy to follow and build to keep your audience engaged every single week. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on different marketing use cases.